Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.
Lahat tayo'y mayroong
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.
You're calling now. Hello? Yeah, Doc. Almost there. Like 3 minutes, yeah. I could see now Diamond Hotel. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm excited. Thank you for having me. No, it's my honor. The pleasure is mine. It would be an honor for me to serve our future presidents of the different chapters, and hopefully I'll be able to beat all of our dentists here in the Philippines. Yeah, thank you, Doc. See you. Thank you. Gumaang lang ang pakiramdam mo. Ang mabuting pinuno, masayahin. My dear friends, leadership is about living. Some people, they don't live, they just exist. Kaya alam nyo po, okay lang po maging seryoso kayo sa event na to, but please don't be too serious. Even lessons. And mind you, as president, you no longer represent yourself. You now represent the organization. Imagine mga doctors, rejection after rejection ang kinakain ko every day. But because I'm a very positive person, for me, rejections are preparations. Kanina nga sabi ko sa mga doktor, nakakatuwa, parang sa gitna ng kahinaan natin, sa gitna ng kakulangan natin, tatawagin ka ng Diyos sa isang panawagan na parang, kung ikaw lang masusunod, Lord, parang di ko kaya to. But that's how the Lord calls. He does not call the able, but rather He enables those He calls. And that's what leadership is all about. When leaders become the very answer to the prayers of his or her constituents. Yung bang makita ka pa lang ng mga constituents mo, presidente namin yan. Bukod sa mabait na yan, maganda pa. Ikaw, how did you accept this presidency? Did you accept this with pride? Kunyari, ayoko. Whenever you lead, you are grateful. Whenever you speak of gratitude. Whenever you show the meaning of what leadership is all about, it is always in the name of gratitude to God, to life, and to those people who help you. There is no such thing as self-made. I have my own demons to face. Lahat tayo may kasamaan, lahat tayo mayroong kabutihan. Hahanapin mo ngayon kung nasaan ka doon. Maraming pagkakataon na gusto ko na rin sumuko sa sarili ko dahil alam ko yung mga pangit sa akin. Alam nyo ba yung hirap minsan na nakukonsensya ko na grabe, inspirational speaker ako, pero yung ibang sinasabi ko hindi ko nagagawa. Kaya alam niyo ba minsan yung talk ng speaker, ang kinakausap niya sarili niya. To remind himself. Ako laging ganun. I always remind myself, Michael, be humble. Michael, be focused. Michael, be grateful. Like you, I have my own demons to face. But I have to go back to the basic. And what is that? I'm a good person no matter what. It's about your personality. It's about how you project yourself. Kayong bibitaw sa grupo nyo. Tatandaan nyo po, kayang gawin ng isa, pero mas maraming...
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Michelangelo Reed.
Thank you. Congratulations.